Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can delete your account with Mootion AI. In order to do so, here we are at Mootion, and what we're looking for is not to be found in the main site. If you go to your account icon, which can be found here at the bottom left-hand corner, then you're going to see here that there is no option to manage your account. The closest thing would be to manage your subscription, but if you go there, you're not going to find any information related to deleting your account. Indeed, if you look around, even in the FAQs, you are not going to find any information related to deleting your account. Furthermore, if you look around, you're also going to have a little bit of a hard time finding information relating to how to contact Mootion. The reason is because in order to contact Mootion, it appears that you need to contact them on their Discord page. They do have a Discord, they have an X account, they have Instagram, and they have YouTube. So you can try to contact them in any of those, but I would recommend Discord. The reason being, if you look here in the FAQs where it says I have more questions, then it says please join the Mootion Discord community to ask your questions and get support from our team and other affiliates. So the only way to contact Mootion, it appears, or the primary way to contact them rather, is to go to Discord and to contact them there. So if we click on the Discord icon here, then this is going to take us to the Discord invite page, and that is automatically going to redirect us to Discord where we can join Mootion, and then from there we can contact them in order to request an account deletion. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.